Right, so this is a little 48 volt bike that was knocked up. Scooter battery, 18 watt motor. I shunt modded the 18 watt controller, 1800 watt controller. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Yep, I have a feeling that it's going to be pretty pokey. Right, I have to sit at the front, obviously. Might actually be too much power for the battery. Wow. Whoa. That is it's actually crazy. Like, I'm sitting at the front there, and it's, yeah, it's definitely the battery cutting out. Oh.
Nearly crashed into that metal. Whoa, Dad. Calm down. Calm down, mate.
So, I reckon we'll have to put on a 3-speed switch. So I think it keeps cutting out the battery on the BMS due to the power the controller's got, because the other battery we had in didn't work. But other than that, it works. But I reckon it's too powerful for you to play on today until we put a 3-speed switch on. It's probably too powerful for you as well, mate. Because yeah, he's going to keep the front down. Like, it's near impossible if you fall red, you'll be straight on your butt. So yeah, that's it. That'll do. Good job, buddy. Thanks for the video.